Hi YouTube, it's not Myrna, you guessed correctly, it's actually Myrria, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about my lock journey. So my sister and I actually did a video together where we talked about the difference between sister locks and traditional locks, and the link for that video is down below, so definitely make sure you check that video out. It's in the description box. But today I'm going to talk to you guys about my lock journey. So I started my traditional locks in September 2018, and I've just been in love with my locks ever since then. Yes, I did have the little ugly phase a little bit, and you guys are gonna see some of those pictures very soon. But overall, I mean, my babies are flourishing. Like, look at these girlies. Just falling in love with them every day, loving my babies. So you guys are gonna get to see a peek of that journey, and I hope you guys enjoy.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love.
Today we're going to be doing an apple cider vinegar rinse. So I've been locked for a little over a year, actually more than a little over a year. It's actually closer to 2 years. September will make me 2 years locked, and I have not retwisted my hair for 3 months. So I generally do like to take a couple of weeks before I retwist my locks. I'll talk about that in another video because I have my own personal reasons for that. But this is the longest I've waited to retwist my locks, so it's been 3 months now, and it's time for your girl to get retwisted. So this is my very first apple cider vinegar rinse, so I'm just excited to see what's gonna come out of my hair. I'm excited to have that squeaky clean feel, and I'm just excited to just feel like renewed. So the next clip or whatever will be of me getting my hair done.
Never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Night, 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 love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, no, you ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors. Not sure how to act around you. So colorful and bright, yeah. I wanna be a 9 to 5. You made me come alive, babe. I wanna be the time of your life. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else. Making it happen, yeah. 'Cause you're a winner. I'm not gonna fall down. This ain't my final round. Hey, drinking Annie in the corner. I don't wanna be alone. Hey, sitting looking like a loser, but I don't wanna lose ya. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else. Come change my life for the better. Yeah. Stay for a while or forever.